going into the next cookie here. This is the Italian thumbprint cookie. So we're gonna start by creaming butter and sugar together. So it's 2 sticks of butter, which equals to 1 cup of butter.
Unsalted butter?
Unsalted butter. So 1 cup of unsalted softened butter and 1 cup of sugar. And we are gonna start creaming that. Always on low so we don't get dust in the air. And after we cream it, what's the next step, Ma?
Next step would be, once that's creamed, it's your egg. You put in all the wet ingredients.
Creaming for 4 to 5 minutes, not 45. 4 to 5 minutes. Once it is fully creamed,
Nice and smooth, silky smooth.
in comes the egg, lower it down, if not, you're gonna make a frittata.
There we go.
All right, and our salt.
There we go. The salt goes into the dry.
So that was 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour that we sifted, always remove any lumps, and that was the salt.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
We'll start incorporating the flour.
You incorporate as much as you can with the hand mixer, and then the rest can be done with your spatula. But we should be able to do this all with the hand mixer. So we're going to be wrapping this up to refrigerate before using. We've already prepared one in advance, so we will be going right into it. Come on, Mama.
There we go.
That's hard.
There we go.
Oh, okay. It's very loose dough, that's why it's falling apart. So this is the refrigerated dough right here, and we're going to be doing the same type of thing, shaping them up into little balls and laying them on the cookie sheet. You're going to be separating them about 2 inches apart because they will grow, and you slightly flatten them. And we're going to go in a little bit more later on. All right, so this is what's going to be going in the oven. We have 2 trays done like this. They will go in the oven at 350, and at the 8-minute mark, what we're going to be doing is taking it out and see you in 8 minutes. So we are at the 8-minute mark, so we pulled it out of the oven at 8 minutes because now we're going to do the indentation, put the jam, and put it back in the oven to finish cooking. So with the back of a spoon, we'll just be lightly pressing down. Like that. So that the jam has a place to sit and not spill out so much. Or we can also use the back of a measuring spoon, which is actually a better idea.
Much better.
Much better idea. And then you choose jam of choice. I'm choosing an apricot and some as a raspberry. There we go. These are so good. The jam ends up hardening a little bit, so it ends up being like a sticky candy. Like, the kids love these too. Just want to show you how easy it is to remove off. You see how absolutely nothing sticks? Nothing sticks. So when you're baking with butter or Crisco, any type of baking lard, they come perfect and absolutely nothing sticks.
Stay tuned for more mother and daughter baking on Love What You Eat.